Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing without delay. Wash your hands and clear a flat, dust-free surface so particles won't trap under the screen protector. Next, warm the protector gently. Hold a hairdryer on low about 10-15 cm away for 5-10 seconds, or use your warm breath to soften the adhesive. Once slightly warm, slide a fingernail or thin plastic card under one corner and lift very slowly. This reduces adhesive resistance and prevents cracking of the glass protector. Continue by peeling the protector steadily at a low angle of about 15 to 30 degrees. This minimizes sudden stresses and helps the adhesive release evenly. As you peel, support the phone on the opposite side so the device doesn't flex. Rigid support prevents damage. If a section resists, apply a small piece of adhesive tape to the lifted edge and pull from the tape, or reapply brief warmth. These tactics reduce localized adhesion and let the protector come off intact. Finish the job by cleaning any leftover adhesive with a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe on a microfiber cloth. Wipe gently and let it dry completely before applying a new protector. If the protector shatters while removing, don't scrape. Press tape to outer fragments and lift them away to prevent scratches. When you're ready to replace it, use dust removal stickers and an alignment guide to position the new protector accurately. If bubbles persist, small ones can be pushed to the edge with a card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.